Hey guys, and today I found this little game and I downloaded it and I'm about to see if it's good or bad. You get to choose. If it has a lot of dislikes on this video, that means y'all don't like the game. If it has a lot of likes, it means you do like the game. What I'm gonna be downloading random games and seeing if they're fun to you guys or not. Alright, let's see. I played a little bit of this. Let's stay in game. This is probably going to have really bad graphics. Oh no. Ads. Nobody likes ads. I played a tiny bit of it. It has really kind of bad graphics. A lot of bad. Let's see. Just for y'all, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start this. Skip that. I'm gonna be the Vikings. Oops. Wait. So, as again, I've been really sick. Oh crap! Dropped my phone. Really sick because of allergies. 6. As you see, hear me. Alright. Let's see. Men. I need to buy men. That's what I. And then I need to fight low levels. So let's go here. Travelers. There's no travelers there wanting to join me. Oh crap, people. So as you see, the number above our heads are how many people we have in the army. I have 1, which is me. No one's in my army yet. Let me show you. If I request 1, let's just request a 1. I just request a 1. Now it says I have 2, which is me and the guy I bought. Oh, does that mean I just... Wow, I just bought them all. So, I had my own tactic to the game. I don't buy armor at all. All I do is get enough money to buy just travelers. And crap, someone's chasing me, I think. Let me wait here. Yeah, you see that blue guy right there? I think he's trying to chase me. I'm gonna wait until he goes away. If you will, go away. I'm leaving. So, my tactic is I just buy a load of men. Not armor or nothing. And then I verse low levels with weak men in. Wow, I have more men than them. And then when I verse them, I win because I have stronger men. That's why I buy them. I don't have enough money. This is when you don't have enough money. Is when you start versing lower men. And never verse a higher person. Never. Him. Attack. I don't know. I think this game. I think they're all bots. So I'm gonna do like 2 or 1 battle, and then I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. The likes is how you vote. Dislikes for you hate the game. Likes for you like the game. I'm just gonna keep doing this random game. So see my army. Now they don't stand a chance. Horses are strong. Okay. See, I have nothing on, but I don't care. I just leave that up to my men to fight. And while they fight, these 7 people, you see at the bottom where my health is? 21 versus 7. I got 21 people on my team. Oh crap. I'm about to check that out. And I lost 0 people. See how many people I died? On my screen, on the left side, 0. They lost all of their people, 7. I'll exit. Oh crap. Ads. Not the ads. Why? Sorry if you hear that vacuum. Someone outside using the vacuum for their car. So, as you see, I think they have nothing in their inventory. Yeah, they have nothing. I took all the money though. So what you do is you burst low levels, you get money from them, and you could take all their stuff. So if I wanted to, I can attack someone that I have more troops than. I could take all of their stuff they have, and all the stuff they have, I could put on my character. So I can be strong. But yeah, here's my inventory. I only got a sword, as you see. I could get armor, horses. I could buy it, but too expensive. I buy men. You also can attack villages, as you see. These blue ones. You see, this has 116. If I go to it, oh wait, I don't have to attack this one. Who cares? Well, which one? These fortresses. You see? What the heck? Why is everybody being nice? You used to allow me to attack you. Right now they're all being friendly, but I'm pretty sure there's a way to attack villages once you have a lot of people, because you don't want to. Oh crap! No! Sorry. No. Really sick. I might need to give me some tissue. I sneeze. Ooh, $50 for the archers. Ooh, $100. Ooh. $1,000. And just $350. We got 25. I wanna verse him. Map. Look at this place. Look how big it is. That. Alright. Oh. I'm gonna have one more battle. Guys, let's see if I can versus this guy who has 27 troops. Yep. Ooh. If I press attack, and then I press this, let's see what he kind of uses. So, this is their king. His king got a lot of good stuff. If I win, I'll be able to take it. Dang, got 2 people out. Oh, guys, I think I can win this. Because I got a lot of horsemen. He doesn't. And most of his horsemen are archers. Let's fight. And after this, I'll stop the video. I'm just going to be doing random games like this. Okay. Look at my home. I got a lot of horses. I got a lot of archers. I got a lot of healed men behind me. Most of my men have shields. I tried already. I think there is a way, but I don't know how to give them weapons. When I find out, I will start doing it. I kind of like this game. Look at their horses. 2. They have 2. One of them's the king. Oh, crap. I'm just running in battle. I'm scared. That's the king. Ah, crap. They're trying to hit me. He still got 27. I got 25. No, they have catapults. What the heck? No. Oh, come on. Bring it. Already? Come on. Well, I am weak. Ads! Yeah. That game that I just saw might be the new random game I'm going to play after this. I got 19. I'm losing. See. Oh, crap. No. Don't die on me, man. It's all up to the archers. Archers, you can do it. Alright, never mind. You can't do it. Sorry. Yeah, I lost. Why did I do this? It's a bad idea. The archer, I'm in control. Oh, crap. Oh, horses. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. I forgot about the catapults. Run away. No. Ah. Oh, crap. What's happening? I'm gonna get jabbed in the back. I just got 2 horsemen left. I guess we all know where this is heading. Let's just exit, shall we? Oh crap, I didn't know that would exit the whole game. Well, I guess I'll leave it off here. See ya in the next video.